We've all seen those photos of celebrities who reportedly have used too many cosmetic fillers and injectables on their face. Let's face it, they look puffy and unnatural. Some even refer to this look as frozen face. So today, we're gonna do a procedure with one of the latest fillers on the market that promises a smooth, anti-wrinkle, youthful face, but more importantly, it doesn't look frozen. That's why Dr. Rachel's back in our procedure room with board-certified dermatologist Dr. Howard Liu and his patient, Barbara. You're going to profile this new filler, huh, Dr. Liu?
That's right. So when you look at these photos, two problems with facial rejuvenation is sometimes a unnatural upper face being too frozen and the lower face out of proportion with too much filling. And so Barbara came today because you came to me with a question, and maybe you can share with us what you were trying to improve.
Well, I had these deep forehead wrinkles, and ever since I was 40, I've been kind of wanting to cover them up. I usually wear bangs. I was afraid of Botox because of the frozen face.
So this is one area that we sometimes have to be very delicate with what we treat. If you over-treat with a botulinum toxin and you freeze the forehead, it doesn't look natural. And so some people would do a filler, but some of the fillers that we had on the market would cause a blue discoloration if you put it too high up in the skin surface. And this has a name called the Tyndall effect. It's a little subtle here, but there's some blue discoloration there because the injection was done too high up on the skin surface and it shows through the skin. So Belotero can improve your forehead wrinkles without freezing your face and also not having the blue discoloration or lumpiness.
Okay.
So let's do some treatment.
Now, how long is this going to last her?
This will probably last an average about 6 months. Some people get a little bit longer than that. Yeah. So go ahead and just lay your head back for me here. And so all we're going to do is just delicately place the filler right underneath the skin surface. And it's going to lift this up very gently.
And Doc, how much is one treatment going to cost?
It ranges from city to person to provider, but it's usually several $100s. It's expensive stuff, yeah.
And are we going to see results immediately?
Yeah, so what I'm going to do is I just wanted to start the procedure now so you can kind of see a little bit of the correction. But if you want to get an idea of what this is going to look like next week, we do have a before and after of a patient from one of my prior patients. This is a lady who didn't want botulinum toxin either, and the before is her wrinkles, and the after is after Belotero, and she can move her forehead before and after. There's no muscle relaxation.
And Barbara, when that procedure was being done, did you just feel a little pinprick?
I feel hardly anything at all. There was a numbing lotion on my face ahead of time. It's not uncomfortable at all.
Barbara, you're going to love this.
Yes, you could already see, I mean, we're just starting here, but you could already see here that there's a significant softening. And so we'll finish up the rest of his face, and maybe she'll come back and show what it looks like at the end. Okay.